Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. So today I'm going to show you the back deck. And I did something different to the birdhouse, and I really like it. I have had this fence for, I don't know, maybe 8 years, and I really couldn't decide what to do with it. And finally found it a place. Now, I didn't do very much in this back area of the deck. I put the pine cones there and some wood. And I think I'm going to get some like newspaper and roll it up. I know that's not what that piece is for, but that's what I'm going to use it this time, or use it for this time. Yes. This is just some of the little treasures that are back here that I decided to leave for the winter. I did not want to take it in. And I could have put a wreath there. See what I'm telling you? You could just add and add. I do like that. I could put a wreath there. I really like that bird bath. That's how come I brought it up here. And I got those gourds the other day. Nice long ones. And there's some kind of tool in here. And maybe you guys know what it is. Do you know what that is for? Because I can't figure it out. Well, you know, I can't get it back like it was, and that's okay. And I did add some greenery to this bench. And just a simple little wreath. Let me see if I can do the video a little different than I normally do. All right, we can start here. The little buggy came out cute with the army blanket and the package with the bales. I found some ornaments at the thrift store. They were just 10 cents a piece. I had to have them. And I really like the log cabins. Even though those two are birdhouses, I think they go perfect together. And those are the wind chimes. I don't know, you've heard them, but I don't know if you've ever seen them. And this one is a different sound. And I looked for those red birds to put on that tree, and I could not find them. But I definitely love this. The 2 deer blow molds. And I made some pillows. They're not as primitive as I want them, but I can always work on them in January if the Lord be willing. So everybody has a blanket and a pillow. And I took some of my walking canes and turned 2 of them into like candy canes. And I do like the Crocs on the back deck. And in here, I just added greenery. Now, I couldn't decide what to do with this wreath, so I just left it plain. The garland I thrifted. Now I have 2 more of those that I would like to use. I added the bales. Maybe over the back door. You know, up there. And when in doubt, just add greenery. At least that's what I did. And I am so glad that I got this deck finished with the first part, because it is 32 degrees out here with a very light wind. And that's one of my small Santa blow molds. With those candy canes that you get, that hard plastic candy canes from the Dollar Tree, and then you can just cover it with material. And on top of the grapevine wreath, I just added another wreath and a candy cane and a simple red bow. This took me a long time to think, oh, simple is pretty good. And those apples look real, but they're not. I found this lantern at the thrift store back in the summer, and I'm like, that's perfect there. My little neighbor is outside. He's having fun, or maybe because he's getting cold. And if this is the first time that you have visited my channel, thank you so much. Please think about subscribing, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I need to get some more little trees. Oh, and that's where we keep our deer food for the winter. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.